Hello, great people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. We are so excited to have you again. Another key stakeholder in APC have met with President Muhammadu Buhari to inform him about his intention to run for presidency come 2023. Don't forget that yesterday, Bola Ahmed Tinubu met with the president and also informed him about his intention to run for presidency come 2023. And this time around, it's a governor, and your guess may be as good as mine, because this governor before now had a lot of people had already predicted that the reason why he's moving cross-carpeting from PDP to APC was because he had an intention to move or to vie for the position of the president. And this governor is from the Southeast. We're talking about Governor Umahi. We are going to hear full details of how it all happened. But before we do that, if you're not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notification anytime we publish our videos. All right, according to the news, Governor Dave Umahi of Ebonyi State has informed President Muhammadu Buhari of his interest to contest for the presidency in the forthcoming general elections. The politician disclosed this to State House correspondent on Tuesday after meeting with President Buhari at the State House, Abuja, leadership reports. Umahi claimed President Muhammadu Buhari had told him to consult widely. Umahi visit to intimate the president of his presidential ambition is coming exactly 24 hours after a national leader of the All Progressive Congress APC, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, paid a similar visit to President Muhammadu Buhari. Tinubu, who visited Buhari yesterday, had said it was his lifelong ambition to become Nigeria's president. He also stated that he had the confidence, the vision, and the capacity to build on the vision of the current president. Tinubu said he was at the State House to see the president on general issues concerning Nigeria, including some of the concern in APC as well as security issues. Asked whether he had informed President Buhari of his ambition to contest for presidency in 2023, he said, "I have informed the president of my ambition, but I have not informed Nigerians yet. I am still consulting. About the cap of kingmaker, I have never seen the cap of a kingmaker before," he said. "That is the truth, and I have never seen where it is written in the rule book anywhere in any country that a kingmaker cannot be a king unless you commit murder. So whatever is your attribute of me is your own opinion. Me, I want to pursue my ambition without the title of a kingmaker. You can write your literature and story based on your own perception. He, Buhari, is a Democrat. He didn't ask me to stop. He didn't ask me not to attempt and pursue my lifelong ambition. So why do I expect him to say more than that? You are running a democratic dispensation and you must adapt the principle and the values and virtue of democracy." Wow. Now, that is what you just heard now is what Bola Ahmed Tinubu said. But right now, the latest is that Umahi has informed the presidency that he's running for a president come 2023. Quite interesting. Let's just look at some of the permutation and calculation and look at what are his chances to become the president of Nigeria. Now, first of all, looking at the response the president gave to him and what he gave to Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, you now see that there's a huge difference. You understand? For Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, the president did not say anything and did not even oppose him going forward. But if you listen to that of Umahi, you will hear that Umahi told Umahi to consult widely, which means the president is also looking at him getting more information on how to do it right, because with the way things are going, they may likely be cross-carpeting this season, because some people will not be ready to let go of that opportunity of becoming a president come 2023. The time for most people, they believe now is the set time. At least they are between the age range of people who, should be leading the country and all of that. Now, Dave Umahi is far more younger than the person of Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, and also for me, he stands a bigger chance, except he will not do widespread consultation. He will not carry out advocacy to different places. The only thing that I know that there are a lot of things that will stand against him, but one of those that will favor him a great deal is the fact that he is from Southeast. And he's not just from Southeast, he's one of the governors in Southeast that has performed superbly. At least if you pay a visit to Ebonyi State, you'll be so shocked at the level of development. It's as if he's the first governor that ever, came to Ebonyi State. He has done a lot, and, and this is Southeast time. You understand? This is the time for Southeast to roll out those, or to lead the country. Come 2023, most people have been appealing to other intended presidential candidates that they should back down, because Southeast, this is the time for Southeast, to lead. Don't forget that Southeast, from inception of democracy in Nigeria, at least from 1999, they have never tested that place, whether as a vice president or as a president. And right now, everybody is pointing at their candidacy, that no matter what, the president of Nigeria come 2023 should be of Igbo extraction, and that will go a long way to quell the crisis that is in Southeast, and will also go an extra mile to kind of dose down the tension. And not just that, it will correct the impression of injustice and lack of equity in, the issue of governance in the country. So right now, I see him more standing more chance from the point of view of all Nigerians in terms of age and in terms of where he's coming from. But then, both of them are going to be vying for this position from the same platform. And I know that some other people are also jogging to make their intentions known. I've heard Dele Momodu also talk about it. We are not yet to really conclude if it's going to come out. And the likes of Ojuzo Kalu also have spoken about his intention of vying for the position of presidency. There's going to be a lot. Tambuwa is also there. Someone also make mention of Wike. A lot of people are going in for that position. So it's going to be a very serious one. But I would like to give you a chance. Go to our comment section. Do you think that Umahi is also one of the top contenders for presidency come 2023? Don't forget that Umahi just cross-carpeted to APC, and already the same APC cross-carpeted to have structures on ground that must be followed. National leader Bola Ahmed Tinubu has paid his price so well in APC. So I don't even know how it's going to turn out like. But however, let's watch to see how the events unfold daily. That's where I like to leave it. Go to our comment section. Let's